Removing your lock screen password on Android is a quick process, and I will help you get it done right now. First, grab your device and open up the main Settings app. Now scroll down through the list until you look for the lock screen and AOD option. Or go to Security section like on my phone. Here, find the lock screen and tap right on it. Next, look at the very top of the menu and click on the Screen Lock and Biometrics option. Before making any changes, you need to enter your current lock screen PIN or password for security. Once you type that in, you will see a list of different security types. Look for the None option at the bottom and click on it. The important thing is to understand the catch before you finalize this. Turning off your password goes both ways. While it makes accessing your phone incredibly fast, it also means absolutely anyone can open your device if you leave it lying around. You also lose your biometric security, so things like fingerprint unlock or facial recognition will be toggled off automatically. If you are okay with that trade-off, confirm the choice, and your lock screen password is removed. Now, you can just back out of the settings completely. Every time you wake up your device, it will open directly to your home screen without asking for a code. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.